Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to take you around this approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition 35 TFSI with the 6-speed manual transmission. Now this particular example is finished in the eye-catching turbo blue paintwork, which has really give this Q3 that standout road appearance. Furthermore, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on now and looking at the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling such as the front bumper and rear diffuser design. As well as this, you do get the additional black accents such as the window surround, roof rails and mirror housings. Now moving to the front of the vehicle, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we do find these exceptional 19-inch 5 twin-arm Apos design Audi Sport wheels finished in the matte grey, which do really stand out against that fantastic blue paintwork. To the side of the Q3 now, there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as keeping those valuable items from view as well. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a half leather interior with the additional cloth elements in the centre. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest, which is folded down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which does make the Q3 fantastic for family usage. Moving into the rear boot space of the Q3 now, where we do find up to 530 litres of storage capacity. There's a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases and a few additional bags, and the boot floor is also adjustable. Taking a look into the front now, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the vehicle has these fantastic sports seats in which are two-tone and do have the Audi Sports S logo. Above now we find the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. By pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can also change the view of the virtual cockpit display. To the centre of the dashboard now we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature the satellite navigation. It does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this now, we find the equally impressive climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So thank you very much for watching this video of the approved used Audi Q3 Black Edition 35 TFSI, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly